Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about sequences 1 basic principles and classification. So a pulse sequence is an interplay of various parameters which will lead to a complex cascade of events with RF pulses and gradients which will ultimately form an MR image. So the pulse sequence है क्या एक टाइम चार्ट है किसका ऑफ इंटरप्ले ऑफ पेशेंट का नेट लॉन्गिट्यूडनल मैग्नेटाइजेशन. And second point is then we will do transmission of RF pulses 90 degree, 180 degree or any degree. Third is XYZ gradient activation for localization and acquisition of signal echo. Then is K space filling with acquired signal or echoes. So what we will do, so first of all we'll put the patient on the couch, then we will send the pulse sequences, then we will get the pulse sequences. Ultimately what they are doing is they have started from receiving the signal pulse sequences from the patient. Then we will have data acquisition, then acquired echoes will be stored in K space, and then will be the formation of final MR image. So this is the steps in image acquisition. So in this chapter we will basically discuss the basic designs and types of sequences and differences in the contrast provided by the sequences reflecting their clinical applications. All will be discussed in chapter 7 on clinical applications of sequences. Next is classification. So the pulse sequence can be broadly divided into two categories. Okay, first is spin echo and second one is gradient echo. Inversion recovery and echoplanar imaging, it can also be applied theoretically to both the spin echo and the gradient echo sequences. However, in practice, inversion recovery is applied to spin echo sequence and echoplanar imaging is used with gradient echo sequences. For practical purposes, let us consider following four types of sequences. First is spin echo sequence, second is gradient echo sequence, third is inversion recovery sequence, and fourth is echoplanar imaging. Okay, next in the next session we will discuss about spin echo pulse sequence.